This is from on top of my house. This is day 3 of the snowstorm from hell. All the power is cut off now, except for the generators. The only 2 things running is the internet and the liquor store. That's all I need. There's nothing tequila won't see you through in a mess like this. We have about 1 meter of snow. My neighbor has a nice little snowplow. Now that's the way you do it in America. Just go big or go home. It stopped snowing. As you can see, I'm on the top of my house. I'm waiting for the rescue helicopter. I hope they send one, it's not a gunship. Like an Apache. I don't want to see one of those. They make a lot of noise and they got huge guns on them. There's my bushes. That's my neighbor's marked car. And we have some snow skiers down here. Crazy bastards. Let's see, there's another one right there. Let's see. Where'd he go? I know, I saw another one there. Oh, right there. There's a big American car. I love American cars. Look at that, it's starting it all up. Okay, I'm gonna go back in now, get all dressed up, and see if I can make it to the liquor store. Remember, there's 4 phases of tequila. First, you're rich. Then you're good looking. The 3rd phase is you're bulletproof. And the final, last phase of tequila is you're invisible. Happy holidays.